Mosmos Kids TV. Ahoy, explorers! Ready for an underwater adventure? Let's count down the top 20 sea creatures. I'll show you a hidden picture of each. Can you guess the animal? Some are tiny, some huge, but all are amazing. Let's get started. Starting at number 20, this sea creature is known for looking like a tiny horse. It can change its color, and the males actually carry the babies. Can you guess which sea animal this is? Yes, that's right. It's a seahorse. Great job! Did you know that seahorses swim upright? Just like a little cowboy riding a horse? Here's your next clue. This animal has 5 arms, but it doesn't have a brain. When it loses an arm, it can grow a new one. What do you think? What sea animal has 5 arms and can grow a new one? Correct! It's a starfish! Amazing guess! Starfish can walk on the ocean floor, and some can even turn their stomachs inside out to eat. Take a guess! This orange fish is famous for its white stripes and lives in a special home made of sea anemones. Can you guess which fish this is? Yes, you got it! It's a clownfish! Well done! Clownfish are immune to the sting of sea anemones and are best friends with them. Next up, this spiny sea creature looks like a tiny underwater ball, and it can roll around the ocean floor. What sea animal has spines all over its body and can roll like a ball? That's right! It's a sea urchin! Excellent answer! Sea urchins can be found in almost every part of the ocean, from shallow shores to the deep sea. Next clue! This sea creature is clear and delicate, and it floats through the water like a balloon. It's been around longer than dinosaurs. What do you think? Which sea animal floats like a balloon? Yes, you're correct. It's a jellyfish. Fantastic! Jellyfish have no brain, heart, or bones, but they can sting. Look at this graceful swimmer! This sea animal glides through the water like a bird soaring in the sky. Can you guess which fish soars through the water like a bird? Correct! It's a manta ray. Awesome job! Manta rays have the largest brains of any fish, and they can grow up to 29 feet across. Here's another one. This ancient sea creature can live for over 100 years, and it loves to travel thousands of miles across the ocean. Which sea creature do you think travels all around the world? Yes, you got it! It's a sea turtle. Keep it up! Sea turtles have flippers that help them glide gracefully through the water. Guess this one. This animal has 8 arms and can change color to blend in with its surroundings. It can even escape from tight places. What do you think? Which sea creature can change colors and has 8 arms? That's right! It's an octopus! Brilliant! Octopuses have 3 hearts. Can you imagine that? Next up, this crustacean walks sideways and has a hard shell to protect itself. It's always looking for food along the ocean floor. Can you guess which creature has big claws and walks sideways? Yes, that's correct. It's a crab. Well done. Some crabs can even walk up trees. Here's a mysterious one. This deep-sea creature has a built-in flashlight on its head to lure prey in the dark ocean depths. Can you guess? Which deep-sea creature uses a glowing light on its head to lure prey in the darkness? That's right! It's an anglerfish. Great guess! Female anglerfish can grow much larger than males, And that glowing light is called a bioluminescent lure. Here's a tiny but mighty one. This little creature is a fast swimmer and can even jump to avoid predators. Which tiny animal can swim backward? That's right! It's a shrimp. Amazing! Shrimp can swim backward quickly by flicking their tails. Next up, this long snake-like creature hides in holes and crevices and has a toothy smile. Which creature looks like a snake with sharp teeth and hides in holes? Yes, you got it! It's a moray eel! Well done! Moray eels have two sets of jaws, one to grab prey and the other to pull it down their throats. Take a guess. This shark has a head shaped like a hammer, which helps it see better underwater. Can you guess which shark has a head shaped like a hammer? Correct! It's a hammerhead shark. Fantastic! Hammerhead sharks have a special head that gives them a wide field of vision, perfect for hunting. Look at this animal! This graceful creature glides across the ocean floor like a bird in flight. Can you guess which animal glides through the ocean like a bird? Yes, that's right! It's a stingray! Keep going! Stingrays have a barb on their tails that they use for defense, but they're usually gentle. Next up, this sea creature has big claws, and it's known for its hard shell and tasty meat. Can you guess which sea creature has big claws and lives in the deep ocean? Correct! It's a lobster! Awesome! Lobsters can live for a very long time, and even grow larger by molting their old shells. Here's a clever creature. It has 10 arms and can squirt ink to escape from predators. Which animal has 10 arms and squirts ink? Yes, you're correct. It's a squid. Excellent. Some species of squid can change colors to blend into their surroundings. Here's one that loves to play. This sea animal is super smart and loves jumping out of the water to show off. Can you guess which animal is playful, smart, and loves to jump? That's right! It's a dolphin! Fantastic! Dolphins can even recognize themselves in a mirror. Next up, this sea animal is famous for its barking sounds and ability to balance on rocks and docks. Can you guess which animal barks like a dog and balances on rocks? Correct! It's a sea lion. Great guess! Sea lions use their front flippers to walk on land. Take a guess. This giant sea creature is so big it could fit 100 cars inside it, and it loves to sing underwater. Which animal is huge and sings beautiful songs? Yes, you're correct! It's a whale! Incredible! Whales communicate with each other through songs that can be heard for miles. Wow! We've met so many amazing sea creatures! We're almost at the top. Are you ready to find out who holds the #1 spot? Take a deep breath, explorers. It's time for our final, most exciting reveal, because our #1 sea animal is coming up next. Can you guess what it might be? Is it big? Is it fast? Is it a great swimmer? Can you guess which sea animal is the most powerful and has sharp teeth? That's right! It's a shark! Amazing job, everyone! And here it is, the shark, the top hunter of the ocean. With sharp teeth and a super strong sense of smell, the shark is always ready to explore. Sharks have been around for more than 400 million years, long before dinosaurs. Thank you for exploring with me. Which sea animal was your favorite? Shout it out! And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mosmos Kids TV for more fun adventures. See you next time!
Then jumping into sight. E is for elephant with the trumpet call.
First up is the playful and super smart dolphin.
Hi everyone! I'm a dolphin, and I just love... Don't forget to like and subscribe!